Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is me doing Leetcode. You wonder why I have a full screen? Because I'm gonna show you my view right now. Uh, I don't know. Can you see it? Yeah, okay, whatever. Maybe my head's in the way. But yeah, I'm just basically in Georgia, in Tbilisi. So yeah, uh, that's basically why some of these videos have been coming out slightly late, and I apologize. Yeah. I I don't know if that worked. I don't know if you saw anything. Anyway, it's the thought that counts, and I'm working on it. Uh, okay, so yeah, what was I going to say? Yeah, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, today's video, and all these other things. Let's see. Yes. The reason why I keep on clicking on contests is because sometimes it's happy lead coding button, and when you click on it, you get 10 lead coins, and lead coins are good. So anyway, day 16 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join my Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, and apparently I've done it. Okay. Let's see. So today's problem is 24 swap nodes in pairs. Given a linked list, swap every 2 adjacent pairs and return its head. You must solve the problem without modifying the values in the list nodes. Okay, so basically you can't just change the values, because I suppose that would make it a lot easier. So yeah, okay. I mean, that seems reasonable. I mean, I want to say this is one of those things that what was I going to say? I think this is one of those things that is not that hard algorithmically, right? Like, I don't think there's anything for me to explain per se in terms of how to think about it, right? The same thing that I said yesterday kind of apply. The thing that I like to do is have a sentinel head. So let me set that up real quick. So that what you want to do is manipulate the next nodes instead of the nodes themselves, because, well, you can't really, do that quite easily for reasons, right? Okay, so then after that, you just have to, it's just all about bookkeeping. And bookkeeping is not an algorithm or a term, it's just about what it means is that you want to keep track of everything as best as you can and make sure everything goes in the right place. That's why it's like a bookkeeping. I don't know if this is true, but I think for me, a book, basically you're trying to balance and keep a book, which is like an accounting type term for, like, if you spend $100 and you made $100, and you have $0 at the end, you want to make sure every penny matches what you think they are supposed to be, and that's really the idea behind it. Okay, so yeah, okay, yeah, so now we have this. So now we basically want to do how do I want to think about this? The way that I would think about it is that we have a current thing, right? And then while current is not none, we may change it to current.next or something like this. I haven't really, thought it all the way through. Right now, what you see is kind of a sketch of what I want to do, right? So basically, we want to swap current.next and current.next.next, right? I mean, if you wanted to just swap the values, which you're not supposed to, you can do something like, and then you just swap these 2 values, right? But of course, we're not doing it that way because they literally tell you not to do it. So we just have to kind of manipulate the pointer so that we can do it. Yeah, so let's try to do that. Yeah, so so let's just say next is you go to current .next, and then next is you go to current.next.next. So now basically we want to change current.next is equal to next, and we want to change next. Oh, geez. Okay. I mean, the way that I would say with these prompts is to use pencil and paper and draw it out. The reason why I'm struggling sometimes for these things is that I'm trying to keep everything in my head, and my head is not smart enough or big enough or whatever it is enough to do it correctly all the time. So sometimes it will crash and burn, if you will. So yeah. So okay. So let's say we do that part makes sense, and then now you're skipping one. Basically now your next dot next is equal to next, which is true, but then now you want next dot next is equal to current dot next dot next dot next, maybe, or before we changed it. I mean, I think now that we changed it, it's maybe after is equal to something like this, and of course all these will have we have to check for nuns and stuff like this, but I think and then now we said current is equal to current dot next dot next. Yeah, something like this. I mean, obviously we have to do a lot of none checks and stuff like that, but in theory this should be good. Maybe. I don't know. Let's run it real quick. Yeah, so I expected that, I guess. But yeah, because current dot next could be none. Current is not ever going to be none, I think, but maybe. Okay, fine. I was wrong. Oh, I guess technically true, but okay. I want to do another odd number thing. And then after this one, I think that's all the cases that I can think of. So I'm going to just give it a go. To be honest, I'm not very confident. Okay, well, that actually went pretty fast. And my internet is actually faster here in Tbilisi. We'll see. I'm actually not here during the weekend, though, so we'll see if the contest is, what the situation of that is. Oh, actually, I guess there's no contest, or the contest for me is at like 4 a.m. or something, so that's still not happening probably. But in any case, internet seems faster, though, so I'm excited. Don't know why this is so slow per se, but yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, these things, it's very, very easy to make a mistake, and you could say that I definitely got lucky a little bit, probably still. Yeah, so definitely don't feel that bad if it takes you multiple tries. I actually expected to take multiple tries, but sometimes better lucky than good, because some of these are kind of really ugly, like this one. I don't even know how that doesn't crash, but yeah. That's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. I need better lighting. I think this is like, I'm looking like a vampire situation going on. But anyway, that's all I have, though. So stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later. Take care. Bye bye.